In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade on TurboTax. If you started your return and realized you don't need all the features of a higher tier plan, downgrading can help you save money while still completing your taxes accurately. I'll walk you through the process from inside your account so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, open TurboTax, sign into your account, and open your current tax return. If you land on the tax home screen, select Continue to enter your return. This takes you into the workspace where you can manage both your forms and your product choice. Next, look to the left sidebar inside TurboTax and scroll down until you see the Switch Products option. Click that to open the product menu. Here, you'll find a downgrade choice. Selecting downgrade will display the available lower tier plans that you can switch to. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, such as Free Edition, Deluxe, or Premium, and then confirm the change when prompted. TurboTax will guide you through a quick confirmation so your selection replaces your current plan. If you're not logged in yet or you closed your browser, use the link provided in the video description to access your TurboTax account and manage your plan. Once you're back inside, follow the same steps to reach the Switch Products area. TurboTax will automatically review your return to determine if it qualifies for the lower tier version. This check is important because certain tax forms or situations require specific plans. If you qualify, the change will go through and your pricing will update accordingly. If you don't see the downgrade option, there's a workaround. Go to Tax Tools, then select Clear and start over. This resets your return so you can restart directly in the lower plan. Keep in mind, this action deletes the entries you've made so far, so only use it if you're comfortable re-entering your information. It's best to do this before you've filed anything and after noting any key figures you want to retype. After you've downgraded, return to your tax home or the pricing summary page to confirm that your new product is active. You should see the updated plan name reflected there. From here, resume your tax return and continue through the filing process as usual. Your forms and progress will reflect the features of the plan you selected, and your final pricing will update at checkout. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently downgrade your TurboTax plan.